Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel for One Marine. In today's video we've got a couple of things to show you, very exciting. We've got the first time we've ever done a video on a Marex, and I'd also like to introduce you a new colleague of mine, Jason, who's sat here on my left, who's a new member of the team, and he's actually going to give you a guided tour of this Marex 310. I'll try and keep quiet because I really like this boat, so I'll try and keep my nosy beak out, but I really like it. I'm going to hand over to Jason now and say, Jason, first video, so thank you very much for joining us, and
no problem at all.
Do you want to talk this 310?
Good afternoon all. As Tom's already introduced the boat, and thank you for doing so, Tom. We are very excited with this listing. For those of you that know the Marex, exceptional build quality. You know, this boat presents hugely well. It's a 2022 build, very lightly used, sat here in sunny Dartmouth. And yeah, come with us and we'll show you some of the cool features this boat has. Here we have the exterior of the boat. As you can see, we've got teak decks all down the sides, a lovely sun pad cushion on the forward deck, and it just goes to show how lines of this boat are just so pretty, and hence why the Marexes are just so popular. And we are really excited to get this one live. As you can see, we've got a huge social cockpit, seating plenty for everyone. And it is worth a mention, this bathing platform, for the size of the boat, the bathing platform is just absolutely huge. I mean, there's loads of room, places to sit if you're at anchor, just relax. Obviously, as you can see, we've got some tender davits here as well for those that carry a tender on board. Plenty of locker space, there's your gas locker. And it's worth mentioning, I mean, those who are familiar with Marexes will definitely know, but the actual build quality of these boats are just phenomenal, hence why they are so popular, and I believe there is a fair waiting list for a new one. So as you know, ladies and gentlemen, you can beat the queue. We have obviously two sliding sunroofs, one at the aft and one here at the helm. Nice and easy manual operation, so nothing to go wrong, which we like. Obviously folding cockpit table, plenty of cup holders for those long days at sea. As I say, look at the teak decks all the way around. That's on the bathing platform and throughout the cockpit. So stepping down into the accommodation, we've got a very well equipped galley. As you can see, we've got a nice oven tucked under here. Little 2-burner hob there, and all your amenities. I mean, plenty of storage throughout the whole boat, which is great. Going forward into the bow, we have a lovely master cabin. I mean, look at those hull windows, allows plenty of light, space throughout. It's really nicely finished all throughout. On the starboard side, we have the heads for the boat, which is obviously a day heads as well as for those guests on board. See a nice electric toilet, and then you can see full-size wet room, plenty of space in there. And for those who have guests on board, there is also a second cabin on here. As you can see, a nice double bed, plenty of headroom as you first walk in, and then a good sized bed underneath. Again, with the Marex, loads of light throughout the whole boat using those huge hull windows. So everything feels very nice in there. So I think it's worth us taking a look at the helm, just to give you a nice view on the visibility of when you're driving the boat. And as you can see, you've got a great view above. There's our colleagues over there. Nice chart plotter. Single helm here, and then obviously we do have a bow thruster to aid mobility as well. So again, moving back aft, we have this 310 is a complete walk around boat, so you have some really good workable decks, nice handrails, all nice and safe to go up the bow to do your fenders, lines when you're preparing to go into port, or even so if you're just relaxing and chilling out on that sun lounger. As you can see, all nice and wide, and the teak throughout, which I have to mention is in very good condition. But yeah, that's all from us, and keep an eye out for more content and video coming soon. Thank you.